Hey, Sid, and today I'm in my new, wait for it, studio! That's right, I got a new studio! Yay! And to celebrate, I'm going to make this really cool science project. So what you will need is a Play-Doh cup filled with water, doesn't matter what size, a cup that's bigger than the Play-Doh cup, some like pom-pom hair or some kind of hair. It has to be squishy. A brush, a firm stick of glue. No, you cannot use Elmer glue or else this project will not work. Some scissors. And remember, this is from a pom-pom, yes, but you have to cut it up. Cut it up first. Tube. Little mixing spoon. If you want beads, that's not a must-have. The bag that the beads are in, a Ziploc, is a must-have. It's needed. So let's get started. We're going to start with pouring your cup into your other cup, to your bigger cup. But not the whole thing, just like a little, no, sorry, the whole thing. And then you're going to take your fur, just half though, so a smaller bit, not even half, like less than half. And you're going to start mixing it around so that the fur kind of gets absorbed in water. And then you're going to put the whole thing in and get that fur all absorbed. Then you're going to take glue, heavy, and you're going to put out the whole entire thing. It fell out. The whole thing fell out, so this is how much you're going to need. It should be a brand new one. I felt free to not use a brand new one, but you should. So you're going to gently pull it out so that it's still in its shape. And yes, this is like the liquid glue. Ah! It falls out when it's like this. Oh my gosh, this is so much fun to squeeze. I don't know how I'm ever going to get that dissolved into the water, but yeah, you're going to put that whole thing in with the fur and water. And you're going to chop that up with your little mixing spoon. Look at how it looks. It looks so funny. So, trying to mash up the glue. It's so hard. Ah, it's so rolly. Man, I wish they didn't make it in a circle. But it's a circle. So I'm like kind of having progress here. But anyway, this is where the tube might come in handy. It's not, the tube is a must-have because you're using it for something else too. So it's kind of hard to chop this thing up. Okay, I'm gonna be back in a minute when this thing is done. Okay, so I had the idea of mashing it with my hands, and I thought that you guys might want to see it because it's probably gonna be funny. So, ew, it is gross. This is so ew. If you're a person that gets nauseous very easily, I would probably fast forward over this part. If you're a person that laughs at almost everything, then I would not skip this part. Ew. I feel like Cinderella. I feel like I'm Cinder Cindy or something. Cinder Cindy Cindy. H-E-L-P. Help. Or maybe just H out. No, I don't know. Okay, I'm done. It's all mushed up. I'm just going to put it in. Now I need to do the other half because I ended up getting it split in half. This is going to be the easy part. Oh, it's still gross. Oh, ew. H-E-L-P again. More H-E-L-P. Help. There's so much in it. And it is so gross of it. To let it squirm all over my hand. It's like a worm. Listen. Ew. Okay, I'm ready to put that half in. I'm going to need to wash my hands after this experiment before I go on to the next one. Okay, now you're going to want to mix more mixing. Oh, I'm so ashamed of myself. Why did I do that? Ew, now I'm all gross. It's like the time we went to went to look for fossils at school, and we liked it, but we got all messy. Okay, so I know I said no Elmer's glue, but I was incorrect. Last time I didn't use any Elmer's glue. Okay, this is just, and I think it'll turn out okay. Not and I know it'll be okay. So this, I'll tell you at the end if this works or not, but if it doesn't work, then I wouldn't do it if you're trying this experiment. So I wouldn't do it while you're watching unless you've seen it before, because this could end up wrong. But anyway, the fur is the most needed part. It is the most must-have, most needed must-have. Okay, so here's what some of it looks like. It's not all of my fur that's in here. Okay, now you're waiting for the fur to absorb in most of the water. So I'll come back in a minute once it is absorbed. Okay, so it's all absorbed, and then now I'm going to do the second grossest part. Taking out the fur, and you have to hold it until it stops dripping. And you have to, like, squeeze it to get all the extra water out and the extra glue out, and it's so easy. And then you dip it in once more for the last time, and put it in the thing, the Play-Doh cup that you used before, and pour a little in to keep it secure. And I'm going to take out the rest of the fur, if there's any left. Is there any left? Nope, no more. So I'm going to put in just a little more water to keep it secure. I'm going to mix it in for the last time. And now we have our very own squeezy, not so able to mold, but it's like our own little element thingy. You can kind of like squeeze it out. It's kind of fun, really fun. Yay, love it. So this is probably the least gross part of the project. Taking out a bunch of beads from your bead bag and just spilling them out into here. This is optional. This is just not a must-do. It is just a wanted thing for me that I really want to do it. So I'm allowing myself to kind of like cover up the project, which is not really the point, but that makes it cooler. That's like 2 experiments in one. Sounds so cool. And there's like a few gems I put in there, I guess. Those are cool. So this is a really cool experiment. So that's an experiment. Cool. It's a cool experiment. Help! Okay, and that's it for today.